After much deliberations with different ministries and feedbacks and comments from stakeholders, Commerce Ministry has finally prepared the draft agriculture export policy, and they have even forwarded this draft to the Cabinet Committee on Economic Affairs. Insiders tell us that this policy, this cabinet note was likely to be taken up on the agenda last week, but it got deferred due to some reasons, and this week there is going to be no cabinet meeting. So we expect the cabinet to take up the draft agriculture policy next week in the meeting. So this policy largely entails measures to benefit farm exports in India, and it aims at doubling India's farm exports by 2022. Some of the main components of this policy are taking down the export barriers, the export restrictions on organic products, on most of the farm products except those which are primary to India's food security. Another key aspect of this policy is to build an infrastructure for supervising, for overseeing the production of some products, and to ensure that those products meet phytosanitary norms fixed by the countries all across the globe. Remember, Indian mangoes, Indian rice has been under a lot of scanner recently because it failed to meet the norms fixed by US and European countries. Another key aspects of this policy are going to be streamlining of mandi fees, streamlining of APMCs, building better infrastructure to make farmers more aware. But there could be one twist in the story, as India has been under scanner in WTO, as Australia and US have complained against Indian export subsidies. So although the Commerce Ministry officials tell us that the agri-export policy is largely in line with WTO norms, but this remains to be seen how the global world, how the countries across the world react to India's agri-export policy.
Thanks so much.